Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm sharing with you guys my current favorites, and these are basically items, products, candles, things that I've been loving so much that I use them pretty frequently. It has been quite some time since I last did one of these videos, so I figured I would just compile everything together and share it with you guys. If you like what you see here, go ahead and give me a follow on Instagram. My Instagram is maria.suazo with 2 O's. You can see a lot more of me on there. I share more of my daily life on there on Instagram stories. I post reels, all that good stuff. So if you like what you see, go ahead and give me a follow. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and start with lifestyle things, like things that I use throughout the house, and then I'm gonna move into hair care, beauty, and then fashion. So I recently switched over to digital planning after I saw this TikTok of this girl. I think her name is Lucy, but her handle is Create Heart Work, and she sells online planners. So this online planner is life-changing. It has motivated me so much to get my life together. I am now more intentional with where I spend my time. I'm more intentional with my goals. I'm more intentional with my mental health and my emotional well-being. Like, it is amazing. So basically what I like to do is I like to plan out my week. Every Sunday night I just sit down, plan my week out, what goals I'm going to accomplish, what things I'm going to have to take charge on, and then I also love to time block my day. And I feel like that is something that has been very life-changing for me, is time blocking my entire day, because that way I know exactly where my time is being spent, and also it helps me kind of keep a realistic perspective of what I can actually accomplish with the amount of hours that I have in a day. Because before digital planning, I found myself like in my mind just having a ton of to-dos, and then by the end of the day I'm like, dang, I didn't do anything because I spent so much time doing this one thing, or because I didn't, you know, prioritize certain things. So digital planning has been life-changing. I also recently started reading the Bible through a digital Bible, and that also has been very motivating to read the Bible, because before, honestly, I was slacking. Like, I was not picking up my Bible. I was not feeling motivated and encouraged to read the word. But when I found this online digital Bible, I was just like, I feel like the change just motivated me to just start reading the word. And then after a while, like once I got into it, I would feel encouraged, and so that kind of gave me the strength to just keep reading the word. Since my husband and I moved into our new home, we were always clean freaks, but we have become clean freaks to a whole nother level. So one of the things that we use literally daily, that we are so thankful that we have, is the Dyson V8 Vacuum. And this is such a life-changing tool, especially if you have animals that shed. Like our dog Dakota, she sheds so much, so this vacuum comes in handy when it comes to picking up her hair. The cordless feature is my favorite part, because I don't have to, I know this sounds so like first world problems, but like having to undo a cord and then connecting it and having to move it if you're moving to a different room, it's just, honestly, like, it can be very discouraging when cleaning. I find that if I have cleaning tools that are a little bit more portable, then it really helps my cleaning experience and gets me like being able to do a lot more at once. So Dyson V8 Vacuum has been a staple. We use it every single day, and it really helps keep our space clean. Along with keeping our space clean, we have been obsessed with candles, because we want our entire house to smell delicious from top to bottom. So we've been using Bath and Body Works plugins, and we have a ton of different favorite scents. I'll leave down below all of our favorite scents, but we use plugins very religiously. If we see them going low, we replace them right away, because we just love the feeling of walking into a room or walking into our space with a nice welcoming scent. So also we found this really cool candle from Target, and it is the textured ceramic jar 7-wick candle, and it is in the scent sandalwood and tobacco. Guys, this candle smells so bomb. To be completely honest, what attracted me to the candle was the way that it looked. It was very aesthetically pleasing. It was very large, and I feel like it was perfect to put like on our coffee table. So that's why I got it. Obviously the scent was a plus, and it's honestly now the reason why we are going to be purchasing it again, because we lit that baby like within the first week of having it. So yeah, that candle is bomb. It smells so delicious and it looks really nice. I honestly have never seen a candle that large or that has that many wicks. So when I saw it, I was like, this is really cute and really nice, and it's ceramic, so I just love the texture of it, and overall really, really delicious scent. So this bath milk from Olay is so delicious. It is such a soothing smelling bath milk. Like, I've never experienced anything like this before when I take baths. It's not like a foaming bath milk, so it really is just something to give you a little bit of scent and relaxation when you're taking baths. But we found this at Home Goods, and this is our 4th jar. We have 2 more full ones in the bathroom because we kind of like to keep it stocked up, because we go through this fast. We probably use half of it for each bath that we take because it is that delicious. It has vitamin E in it, so it's honestly very hydrating on the skin, but overall what sold us was the scent. This just smells like you drenched yourself in some very nice smelling soap, because it smells just so refreshing, so clean, and the thickness is very, very hydrating. So this has been like our staple for when we take baths. We pour literally half of a jar into the tub, and then we just relax and let it do its thing. You guys know I love my coffee. My coffee is like literally one of my best friends. Like, I enjoy coffee so much. It's like one of the things that I look forward to every day. It is like a very great experience for me. So I wanted to invest in some mugs that would enhance my coffee experience. They're the double wall glass coffee mugs from Sonoma, and I love these because the double glass has like an insulating layer on it, so it helps keep my coffee warm. It's not like anything revolutionary where it keeps it warm for like hours and hours and hours. I just really wanted something that had a double wall feature, and I wanted to go for clear because I wanted to just enjoy how nice coffee looks. This is about an hour and a half old, so it doesn't look that nice, but once it's first poured in, it's just like a great experience. So I'm gonna move into hair care because let me tell y'all, ever since I got my hair done, I'm like trying to find the best hair products out there to make my at-home experience similar to my salon experience, because my girl did such a good job on my hair. If you guys didn't see that vlog, I'll leave it down below, or I'll link it up here in a card. But I loved my hair when I got it done with her. So I was like, you know what? I need to do this every day. Like, not every day, but I need to give myself that salon hair experience here at home. So there's a couple products that I've invested in that I think are life-changing that you guys will love. If you want to see a full tutorial on my hair routine, let me know and I could definitely share that. But first, like, really big life changer for my hair is the Revlon One Step Hair Dryer. And this is what I use to blow dry my hair because I am not talented enough to use the traditional blow dryers. Really, I have tried so many times to learn how to blow dry my hair with the traditional hair dryer, and I just can't. Like, something about my wrists just don't work. Like, it doesn't catch on to the routine. So this is a super easy way to achieve a nice blowout with like half of the complication. You literally just grab your hair and just, oh, I don't want to do it right now because dang it, my curls. I don't want to do it now because I curled my hair, but you basically just blow dry your hair out. You know, you want to part it in whatever way works for you, and you just blow dry your hair outwards, and I love it. It is honestly game changing. So because I've recently bleached my hair, I need to be very careful with how I treat it, or I need to be very diligent in treating it so my hair stays nice and healthy. So I've been using Olaplex a lot. Every time I wash my hair, I use it. So the first one that I like to use is the number 3, and this one is the Hair Perfector. The way that I use this is after I shower, I put this all throughout my hair and I let it soak for 10 minutes and then I rinse it off. This leaves my hair feeling so smooth and so strong. I do this every time I wash my hair because I only wash my hair once a week. And then I use the Bond Smoother, and this one I use once my hair is nice and damp or dry. I put this just on my ends, from like the middle of my hair to my ends, just a very small amount, and this really helps eliminate frizz. It nourishes and it also protects your hair when you go in with heat, which is usually what I do as soon as I wash my hair. Well, after it dries a bit, but it's usually what I do every time I wash my hair. I always blow dry it. So this Bond Smoother really helps protect your hair against heat and frizz. which is amazing. I literally use these two bad boys every single time I wash my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and move into fashion pieces that I have been loving, and this is super random. I'm just gonna share really quick. My Ugg Slippers literally are like my everyday shoe. I wear these every single day throughout the house. These are my new house shoes. I keep these on throughout the entire day. Literally, they're so comfortable. They're pretty dirty, but because I use them every day, but they're so comfy. They're super soft, and I wanted to invest in house shoes that I knew were gonna last me, because I found that before I would be spending like 20 bucks like every couple months on slippers, because they would get like worn out so fast because you wear them so often. So I just wanted to invest in slippers that I knew were going to last me quite some time. So I just got some Ugg slippers. They're perfect for the winter as well, but these are my babies. I wear them every single day. If I don't have them on my feet when I'm home, I feel naked, literally. Like, I am always looking for them. They keep my feet so warm, and they're just an overall like a really great slipper to have handy. Okay, so this trench coat, you guys, everyone needs a plaid trench coat in their closet. I'm telling you, there have been days where I am like so out of ideas on outfits. I don't know what to wear. Like, I just put on like a very plain outfit, throw on this trench coat, and you instantly look like fashionable on another level. I love this trench coat. I know we're not going out often. I find that when I am going out, this is usually the trench coat that I like throwing on, just because it adds a touch of style to any outfit. So I love having it on hand, and I have been using it very, very often. And it's tied with my favorite jacket for this season, which is the plaid jacket from Zara. I wear this jacket probably literally like 2 or 3 times a week, just because it's so cozy, and I love the colors. I think this is as far as I'll go with colors this winter, is like this light blue brownish combination. I love it. I got it in a large because I wanted it to be oversized, but this jacket is definitely another one of my winter staples that I've been wearing pretty frequently. All right, so I wanted to share a couple jewelry pieces that I have been loving and wearing pretty much every day. And this is kind of my ring situation that I've been doing every day. So I have my wedding ring and my wedding band on my left finger. And then on my index finger, I wear this dome ring from Ana Luisa. And I love the way that it fits. And then I wear my Missouri croissant ring on my ring finger on my right hand. And this is sort of the situation that I've been doing every day. It's pretty comfortable. And then for necklaces, this is the necklace stack that I've been doing like every single day. I have first this pendant from Ana Luisa, and then I have this link chain from Ana Luisa as well. And then I have this gold thick necklace from Lily Clasp, and it's called their Reggie Thick necklace in 18 inches. And I really want to get, if they do have one, I really want to get one that's a little bit longer, because these are all sort of ish the same size, so I'm kind of trying to play with length. So I want to invest in some pieces that are a little bit longer, but so far this has been like my everyday jewelry. And then I have these hoops from Lily Clasp, which have like a nice little twist rib on them. So I'm going to share 3 quick beauty items that I have been loving, just because literally I use these every single day. And the first couple are this lip combo right here. So it's the Kkw Lip Liner in Nude 1. That's what I do to start lining my lips. And then I go in with the Nude 1 Kkw lipstick. And then once the lipstick is on there, I outline my lip with the MAC Cork Lip Liner. And then I kind of just blend everything in together like that. And it gives me these results. I love this combination because it is like my current favorite nude. It is not too nude where it washes you out, but it has enough tint to give you a little bit of life and a little bit of like lusciousness. For highlight, this has been my go-to highlight. It's a highlight that I have on right now. I put it on my cheekbones, on my forehead, on my nose, pretty much everywhere. And it is the Lancome Dual Finish Highlighter in Sparkling Peach, I think is how you say it. But overall, this is like the perfect champagne highlight. If you are fair skin but you like that champagne-y golden highlight, this is perfect. Although this is a powdered highlight, it still gives you that nice glowy finish where it doesn't look too powdery. So yeah, that is basically all of my favorites. I didn't want to make this video too long, so I tried to go through every favorite as fast as possible, but I hope you guys enjoyed the products that I shared. Let me know what you guys are loving lately. I always love like watching favorites because I'm always looking for new things to add to like my routine to help make my life a little bit easier. So let me know what you've been loving lately, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.